No,
Uh,
you're about to get locked out.
what you mean I'm about to get locked up for, ma?
Because I'm gonna
I,
do
I
something.
want to see. I want to see. I just want to see. Just want to see. You know what I'm saying? Just want to see you real quick, though. You know what I'm saying? How good you look and stuff like that on camera. You know what I'm saying? I mean, and I
On
know,
camera?
yeah. You know, I just want to see you. You know, do your little modeling thing and stuff.
No, you can go
You know what I'm
now.
saying? Oh, I could go. Why can't I? Why do I have to go for it? You know what I'm saying? I've seen you before. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I already got you already on camera and stuff like that. I just figured, you know, I just might as well use this little bit of memory and use it, you know what I'm saying, up on you at least, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean,
Yeah, nice
it's a
try.
nice try, my butt. I just want to see you walking those hills again, though.
No,
Why not?
because I'm gonna do something really quick.
You gonna send it to me?
Maybe.
Yeah, right.
How do you know? I'm not gonna send you shit if you don't get out of here.
All right, fine. My phone's over there, though.
Well, go get it, because you're gonna be locked out.
I'm gonna be locked out.
Yeah. Yeah, because you can't have you stalking me.
I ain't stalking you.
Hmm.
Why I be stalking you for, yo? Make sure you know. Got the whole, you know, the whole enchilada. Yeah, you gotta get something else real quick, yo. I gotta go check on those brownies anyways. Damn. You see what I mean? When you got it going good, you never know what's gonna happen. Hopefully she'll send me something real good.